half, half, half.
Here it is.
I have to go to the toilet.
The little half is here. Please wait a moment.
With just a whisper, the little partner responds at any time. Precise docking.
It's ready. Please go to the toilet.
Provide elders with the support of Mount Tai. Built-in foam shield, instantly covering the water. Splash-proof and odor-proof. Double UV sterilization. Let every drop of warm water be clean and sterile. No hand wiping required. Smart warm water hip wash. Warm air drying system. Quick drying. It's mild and none. There's no bending down when you're wet. Comprehensive road odor isolation system. Even if you put it next to the bed, you won't smell bad. Keep your bedroom fresh at all times. No need for anyone to tie.
The hands start to drain.
One click to start the sewage. The little companion automatically goes to the bathroom. It's like a smart family member, equipped with AI three-dimensional obstacle avoidance system, capturing the footsteps of family members with agility, escaping every obstacle skillfully. In the breath of life with ease. And through high-precision AI vision algorithms, autonomous identification of sewage points. Up to 80 high-pressure sprinklers work together. Flush the sewage tank at 360 degrees of high pressure and discharge the dirt. Sewage self-cleaning. It fills up automatically with water. The whole process requires no human intervention. Say goodbye to the hassle of washing the toilet backwards. It takes all the hassle and secrecy. Silently return to the base station to China. Return the entire time of laughter and company to your family. The little companion is not only an intelligent toilet assistant.
Little partner turns on sleep mode.
Here comes the little companion, about to go into sleep mode.
It is also a silent guardian of peace of mind for you and your family.
Little companion.
Here it is.
Intelligent toilet robot companion.